Welcome back, everybody. Rich Poe in the house from Rich Poe Sports. How you doing, Richard?
Well, I tell you, I had to take off my glasses this evening because things were getting steamy in the National Stadium. God knows.
Yeah. All right. So this is a review of what we would say is day one of the Jamaican national trials. The men came out big this evening, especially in the 100 meters, where we saw Yohan Blake go sub 10 for the first time in a long time, shutting me up.
And me too. And me
Yes.
too. Left me
Yeah.
speechless.
Yeah. We're happy to be wrong about that one. Let's say that. He came in. What was his time again?
Got
It was a
992,
10,
993.
yeah, around that. Yeah, a low 99. Good run by him. Also, Oblique Seville cruised to a nine, about a 9.98 or something like that, a higher 9.9. Cruise looking around at the competition.
A good look, a
Definitely,
good crane of the head, good crane and look.
yeah, man.
Wow.
And like we said, we do believe he can go faster.
No doubt. No
Yeah,
doubt about it. The man has
yeah,
got
man.
shades of, dare I say it, shades of, even at this early stage, the great Usain. God know, Mr. Mills, we've got to salute.
Yeah.
Got to.
He definitely has that Glenn Mills look about him. I'm not going to go far and say, oh, he has shades of the boss, but he definitely looks good and he's definitely in the right place. I'm trying to remember Akeem Blake's time. I don't remember. I think what was it, a 10 flat? I
It
think it
was
was a
close
10
to a
flat.
10. I think it was
Yes.
close to a 10 flat.
Yeah.
He looked the least impressive of the three. He was pushed in that race. There were two other gentlemen who
Yeah.
produced, I think, probably their personal best. In fact, I believe it was their personal best. So they really brought out the best in the other Jamaican sprinters. It's been a good day
Yeah.
for Jamaican male sprinting. I can
Yeah.
say that safely.
Yeah, a lot of questions were answered this evening about Jamaican male sprinting. Let's just put it that way. All right. So yeah, a good performance all around by the men. Like Richard said, a lot of personal best. Now we turn the page over to the women, where we have to say the highlight of the evening, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce with her 10.70 again, right?
She, I think she showed that she's here on business. And when I say here, this season
Yeah.
will be a special season. I'm saying it early doors. This could be arguably the best we've seen of Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. Mommy Pocket Rocket is looking set to leave it all on the track in her pursuit of Elaine Thompson-Herah and all comers. She will do what is necessary and leave no regrets on the track. We are proud of her, and most importantly, she wants to be proud of herself. Enough respect to Shelly-Ann. Trust me,
man.
outstanding.
Well done. Brianna Williams now, second in that race, 10.98. Almost equaling her personal best. Lane Thompson-Herah won her heat. I don't remember her time, but she ran in the 11s. Sherika Jackson 10.98 as well with Kemba Nelson 10.99. Was that a PB from Kemba?
That would be close. That would be pretty close. Pretty close to that would be pretty close to a PB. But one thing I will say at this juncture, maybe a little early, but I'm giving the edge for that pursuit of the fourth place with all people fit. I'm giving the edge at this stage to Brianna. What say you?
I'm not. I don't know yet. I'm still trying to let it sink in. I'm going to have to watch back the races, but Kemba looked really good in her race. And if I'm not wrong, Brianna ran a 10.98 and she ran a 10.99. So there's not a lot between it.
What I picked up is that Brianna locked down when she realized that she was comfortably.
She locked
down when she realized she was comfortably qualifying,
Yeah,
and
and
Shelly
probably
had
didn't want to
gone, but still
overwork
run quick.
herself. Yeah, she didn't want to overwork herself trying to keep pace with Shelly.
Experience, the
Yeah,
experience counted. And with Atto Bolden in their camp, I don't think health permitting, I don't think she'll have any excuses. I think her mind is in the right place,
yeah,
and I give her the edge to claim
yeah,
a genuine berth. But the semi-finals and finals, which will be taking place tomorrow, will be
yeah,
absolutely keenly anticipated. So leave it on the tracks, ladies. Leave it on the track.
yeah. All right, guys, we're gonna leave it right there. Excellent, excellent opening evening. I just took a quick look at the sprints. All right. The men definitely the highlight of the evening for me. Despite Shelly running her 10.70, just proud to see the men putting in some good performances. You know what I mean? Um, Nice to see the sub tens coming back to the national stadium on a regular basis now, right? All right. So thanks for being here, Richard. Guys, remember, like and subscribe and stick around for all the latest update on Jamaican sports. Boom. We'll see you around.